Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. In today's video, we're gonna be throwing some more stuff on the front end of this block and we're gonna be slapping on some silver paint. Alright guys, so we got a new shipment in from Advanced Auto. Make sure you use our link in the description below for all your parts needs and help us out. So we're gonna open this up. And this is going to be our thermostat housing, which we're going to lay some of that silver paint on today. Of course, it's in another little box, so we'll open that in a second. But what we're going to do is we're going to paint this. We're going to paint this silver, just like we did before, the water pump and our fuel pump, as well as the intake on the top of the block. We're going to drop our harmonic balancer and maybe put on our bottom pulley today. So let's go ahead and start knocking this out. Man, those came out amazing. That was a great color choice. Tim, great job. So now after we have that all painted, what we're gonna come down and we're gonna start working on putting the harmonic balancer. First and foremost, we gotta get this bolt out. Alright, so as you can see, we have the bushing up against, or the bearing, sorry, up against the harmonic balancer. What you want to do is you want to take a big wrench right here, and you pretty much go until this locks out after this is all the way in. But we've gotten ours all the way in. You can pretty much see that it is really close to the front end of this motor, which is good. So now we're just going to back this all out. And next, what we're going to do, throw on the water pump, throw on the fuel pump. Man, guys, that looks amazing. That silver and black combo that Tim has picked out looks phenomenal. So we got our fuel pump on, water pump on. We got our gaskets in, even though we forgot real quick. We pulled it off, threw it back on, so everything is good and torqued to spec. We're gonna come up here real quick and talk about our Harmonic balancer installer. You can get them about 30 bucks. We're gonna drop the link in the description below for where we got it. But that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys next Saturday, and make sure you subscribe. Oh, no. Hey guys.